Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa and I am going to be walking you through my portfolio. So here is my landing page. You can see my name is the title of the page along with a picture of me in the background and English portfolio in the corner. And if you scroll down, you'll see the header about me, which is going to tell you about what you are about to read in this paragraph. And I just wrote down a couple things to help you get to know me a little bit better. And then if you scroll down, you'll see a couple pictures I added. Here is going to be my final reflection, but I decided to post a couple pictures here now. They are balanced and centered, and this page is very clean, along with the footer that has my email address in it. So if you click this first link, it'll bring you to my Project 1 page, and that is where I will be posting my Project 1. And then this link will bring you to my Project 1 revision. Next, this second link is going to be my Project 2, and then this Project 2 revision link is where I will be posting that. And along with Project 3, same thing, and then Project 3 revision will go right here. Next, I have my link to my reflexive memo. That is where I will be posting that. And then this last link is my resume and cover letter. As you can see, all the backgrounds are super consistent, same background and color across the whole board. And that kind of just ties in my whole website together. Thank you for watching.